Hi there, my name's Chi. I'm from UK. I've chosen Yamato school because I feel like this will give me a very good opportunity to learn about the Japanese culture and relative knowledge regarding to Japanese ramen dishes. Throughout the course, it's very much appreciate all the staff's hard work. I really enjoyed it. Met a lot of nice people. We can share about our passion regarding to ramen, and hopefully in the future we can discuss and develop together. Here I want to say a big thank you for Yamato, for your training, the effort that you put in, and it's very useful for our future. Thank you.